Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to kind of show you a time capsule. 67 Pontiac Lemans, 45,000 miles on it. Don't have an odometer statement, but I do have some receipts to back it up from the 80s and 90s. And then also have the original sales ticket from the Pontiac dealer in Billings that shows it's the same person that owned it. So pretty cool. There you can see some rock chips, and that's what you can see. I couldn't find any paint lines, on an edge on a door or anything that shows it's been painted. So most likely is original paint. So you can see a few chips here and there, like there's a touch-up right there. That's what you're going to see, is mainly some touch-ups, little chips. But that's originality. I mean, the car's 50 years old. Interior appears to be all original. Headliner in good shape. Dash in good shape. Doors. Another way that I believe this is all is how the doors shut. And I washed the car with a power sprayer and it didn't leak. And most of these old cars that have had new weather strip and have been restored on these two-door hardtops, you can't keep the water from not dripping in there. So, as far as I can tell, this is an original car, original paint, original miles. There's a sticker from the Pontiac dealer in Billings. Said this will be a neat one to buy, show in the original class if you want to show it, and just the conversation piece of the history of the car is just unbelievable. So, a few chips, didn't see any rust. If you look at the picture underneath, like see here, that chipped up here at one time. Must have caught the fender. So with this gap here, I ain't gonna say that this hasn't had some work done at one time. I couldn't find any paint lines on the fender, but that gap's not very good. So try to be full disclosure. This would be a cool car to show in the original class because it is pretty original. So like I said, I don't see anything that says everything isn't. So any questions? 605-695-7391.